Hello, Chef here, working with some giant shrimp today. I thought I'd share these with you and show you what's going on here. These are head off, peel on. They're already split and deveined, looking really good. I'm gonna add a couple of things, and that's some sea salt, a little bit, as well as some fresh ground black pepper. Oh yeah, two things I like right there. Okay, we're gonna just pan sear these real quickly, then I'm gonna toss together a plate and show you what's going on. Very hot pan. Extra virgin olive oil, just a touch like this. Yeah. Okay, shrimp go in. Nice pattern, looking good. And we're going to put a weight on top. Just like that. Okay, and a couple minutes later, this is what we've got. Oh, look at those beauties. I'm going to turn them over, change the pattern from clockwise to counterclockwise. The weight. I'll be back. Okay, how do they look? Oh, you betcha. They look pretty good. So the next step, I'm going to put them right here. Keep the nice look got going on there. Yeah. Oh. Sauteed spinach. Okay, center of the plate, we've got some awesome homemade pesto, heirloom tomato. We're going to be putting a little bit of angel hair down, like this. 1, 2, 3 pillows of angel hair. All right, that's going to be good. Please like, share, subscribe, support your sponsor. Yeah, keep cooking. Wow, it's very sharp. It's got a really cool curve to the blade as well. So check it out. You can score it right there. And thanks for watching. Have a great day. End grain maple butcher block. Wonderful surface for cutting, chopping, and cooking on.